Hi guys, this is Razil Khazi and I welcome you to my blog. Today I'd like to show you 4 different ways where you can log in to your Raspberry Pi. So without wasting much time, let me start. This is the putty. So now I have connected my Raspberry Pi through the Ethernet port. And first step, I would like to write Raspberry Pi.local. This is the command here. And you can see it as login and write Pi as user name and Raspberry as your password. So when you write Raspberry, it's not, it cannot be seen now. Yes, it's logged in. So this is one way of logging in. Okay, so now the other way is I like if config, which will give the IP address of your Raspberry Pi through connected through Ethernet port. So this is the Ethernet port IP address. So once you get the wireless LAN Ethernet, once you get the wireless LAN, once you connect your Raspberry Pi to the wireless LAN, then you can also get another IP address, which is your wireless LAN. So right now, please make sure that you note down this Raspberry Pi local address, IP address. So now I would like to close this and I would like to open it again. Now this time I write the IP address 169.254.221.33. Just say yes, and yes, you can log in again. Just write Pi Raspberry. So here you log in. So this was the second method. Coming to the third method, for that you need to install a software which is called as VNC viewer. So this is the software which you should install for those who don't have much experience in the command line. So those who are very used to the GUI version. So here is the one way of doing it. So after installing this VNC server, you need to write VNC server here. So you'll get an IP address here. So just copy this and paste it over here. And just say enter. So just continue. Here you need to enter Raspberry Pi's details and password as Raspberry Pi. Not Raspberry Pi, so Raspberry, just Raspberry. And here it is. So this is how you can log in through the GUI version. Okay friends, now coming to the final method, there is a fourth method. We have learned 3 different methods of accessing it. Now I have made some changes in my code by pausing this video, but I'll show you what I have done it. I'll just write this Raspberry Pi.local and I log in. And you can see here I write login IDs. Okay, what changes did I make? Because now I have not connected my Raspberry Pi through Ethernet port. It has connected to the Wi-Fi. Let us learn how can we do it. Go to the root folder. In the root folder, you write etc. Here you have WPA supplicant. Okay, so in this you have to check here. Okay, for a moment. So in the WPA supplicant, you have to go to this file. Here, this too will be available, and you just need to write this. So your SSID and PSK. And after this, you can just try it. If it didn't work, then go back to etc again. And here, go to networks. And inside networks, nano interface. Just add these lines of code here, what I have added, these lines from here, auto, and these lines here and this, and I hope everything works fine. Then just disconnect your Ethernet and log in. I think it will be available. Thanks a lot.